First of all, I would like to start by saying I'm the motherfucking man. Start, I let you niggas know. Hear me? If the shit hit the fan and this rapper stop the pan, coming at you niggas don't. Hear me? Go big out in Kansas at the film festival, nigga, everywhere I go. Hear me? Big flip, that's my man. Keep 40 kids around, bring them everywhere I go. Hear me? Young niggas only can't push niggas fly. All I ever hope is fucking on the side. They ain't playing any game, then they hating on the side.
What your name is, I'ma make you say, oh. Yeah, I wanna know what your name is, or what your name means. We got a lot of time on the 18s. We can live our life in the mainstream. Oh, I ain't tryna click clap, hit that. I'm tryna hit that big back, big fat, sweet tunes, give you big plaques. If it's that, tell the truth, baby, switch that. We'll back, big bang, baby, cut style. You know I'm the man, baby. So I gotta send a shout for my fans, baby. You know what I'm on, put you in the song. Doing what I can so I ain't go wrong. I told you my names, I can't tell me yours, baby. We can go on mine or yours, baby. You know I'll make you go on.